Prehistoric Nature news. In this week a new updated come out as well as many new creatures coming to the mod as well. First up, the updated come with 20 creature and many other stuff as well. This past weekend too they showed 6 new creatures and many new remodels. First up for the new one is 2 new insects are coming to Prehistoric. Scorpion fly, Triassic to recent, is little carnivorous insect, characterized by males having scorpion-like abdomen. Crismodea is really unique insect lived during Jurassic to Cretaceous. Body shape, especially long legs with little bristles, suggest ecology exactly like living water striders, but classification is clearly different. Crismodea is possibly more related to grasshoppers or some kinds instead. Like some of living water striders, it probably able to float on salt water as well. Also it is pretty big with leg span reaching 20 cm. For the second one is an isonogog in this prehistoric shark's head but a clasper. Only the male Metapicanthus had it and these guys would have lived in deep sea environments. Welcome Metapicanthus, the fourth chimera to come alongside Elasmodex, Squalorgy and Ischiatus. For the 3-1 is Thrysops was a species of Ichthyodactyliform fish from the late Jurassic and early Cretaceous of Europe and Africa. The animal was around 60 cm long in adulthood and fed in smaller fishes and animals. Its long body was adapted for high-speed motions and quick changes in direction, as seen from the deeply lunar tail. Its Ichthyodactyliforms were the same group of animals that potentially originated from animals such as Leptolopus and would later develop into larger and much better-known animals like the 4-meter-long Xiphactinus. Although its Ichthyodactyliforms is extinct today, relatives of this ancient group still exist in the form of the Osteoglossomorpha, the clade-containing animals such as the modern-day Arana. Particularly stunning about Thrysops is the preservation of the patterning in some of their fossils, which demonstrated these animals had a spotted pattern going down its body. The density of the spots was higher on the front area of its body compared to the back of it. Please let this medium-sized fish into your aquarium and enjoy. Model and original textured by me. Texture tweaked by @me_wither. For the 410 here is Colasagus. Well, not itself. Sidrops is about 2.7 m long Temnespondyle from Australia, and when described it was one of the last living member of Temnespondyle. Known from mostly complete specimen, it had relatively large head compared to body. It is probably closely related to later described actual last Temnespondyle Colasagus. Of course cooler is coming soon, but not to disappoint, that being just dozens of cm longer than this animal. Unlike 5-meter monster, 3m is still giant for Mesozoic amphibian. For the 5-1 is a minor announcement, but Cercopterus got a bit of a simpler model and a new texture. Enjoy. Cap. For the 6th one is Cordyticarus striatus is a species of herdiid regiodont from the Middle Cambrian of China. Herdiid regiodonts are known for their large and impressive tripartite cephalic carapaces, and Cordyticarus is a prime example of such structures. The animal is known from a series of cephalic armor pieces, including a large heart-shaped central element, the frontal appendages, oral cone and pieces of its trunk recovered from the cephal section of the Sanktia formation near Linai City, Shandong. The central element of this animal's shell was ornamented with more than 20 rows of microscopic tubercles, which would stop at its ventral margin. While herdiid cephalic carapaces can usually be divided into 2 classes based on shape, Cordyticarus showcases a condition unlike the others known so far, having a mix of the 2 morphologies, which suggests this animal's ecology to be different from the 2 previously known morphotypes. The shape of the oral cone in this animal, moreover, debunked the long-standing idea that amplectoboloids and herdiids could be distinguished by the presence of node-bearing plates in the oral cone. feature present in Cordyceps and, in contrast with other herdiids, either developed separately or hinting at it being an ancestral shared feature. The potentially 30 cm long animal remains today unclear in its lifestyle. Due to the unique shape and number of the endites in its frontal appendages, we are unsure on what type of filter feeding it might have specialized in. Due to this unique mix of traits, the placement of this animal in the herdiid tree is not easy and will surely continue to remain challenging until more animals like it are discovered. Please make way for an extra little sneaking Cambrian critter and maybe more to come in the future, Cap. Here is all the remodels they shown this week. That's all this week. See you later.